How to know the economical status of a company before you invest in it. The economical status of a company can be understood by scrutinizing the three key financial reports. Number 1, balance sheet. Number 2, income statement. And number 3, cash flow statement. Balance sheet shows the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity of a company. On the other hand, the income statement shows the revenue, expenses, gains, and losses of a company. Eventually, the cash flow statement shows the inflows and outflows of a company's cash. If a company is less than 1 year old, then you cannot get these financial reports. But if a company is more than 1 year old, then you must get these financial statements to examine its current and future financial health. A company that is currently in net loss can reach net profit status, and a company that is currently in net profit can reach net loss status through the long-term assets that they hold. So, as an investor, you should gather in-depth knowledge of both the short-term and long-term assets of a company before you invest. Because the lack of this knowledge will make you to lose your money even if you invest in a company that is currently in net profit position. And the sufficient knowledge about the assets of a company will help you to earn big money even if the company is currently in net loss.